So I've gotten the question a couple of times of how many locks do you have? How many locks do you have? And I don't actually know how many locks I have. So I thought, why not count them? So I actually follow someone else on YouTube who's really amazing. You guys should check her videos out. I'm going to click the link in the description to her channel. She does not have micro locks, but she has traditional locks that are beautiful. Also, the hair color is to die for. So definitely check her out. I will put her in the description, link to her channel in the description. Because I'm not tech savvy and I probably don't know how to just do like one of those little links just yet. So definitely check her out. But I'm going to go ahead and count my locks. So I don't exactly know how you're supposed to do it, but I'm just gonna start, right? So I'm gonna just start. I'm gonna start and so you guys can actually see me doing it. So I have 3 on this side. Okay. Ow. Okay. So 10. So three here. You'll know what I'm doing later on when I put another video why I said 3 and then 10, 7 here. So I have 10 here. So we can play a little guessing game. So if this is 10 and this is all of the hair that I still have left over, try to see if you can guess the amount of locks that I actually have. Try to see if you can actually guess. My guess would be maybe 250. My guess is 250. I have never been good at guessing, but I'm going to go ahead and guess 250. And I will come back when I'm halfway done. So this is 100. I don't know if my guesstimate is right. I said 250. So obviously I'm wrong. So maybe let's say 350. I'll say 350. I'll do that. So I'll be back. Okay. So this is 200 on this side. 200 already. All right. So I mean maybe 400? Maybe 400? Maybe that'll we'll see. 300. 300 so far and then this is all I have to go. So honestly, you know, maybe 3, I don't know. Let's just count and see. Let's just count and see. 66. 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 80. 1, 2, 3. 386. 386 of these. Can you believe it? 386. 386, Beasley. So that's it. I have 386 locks. Woo! Can you imagine taking out 386 locks? Well, 386. 383 to go. That's crazy. Thanks for watching.